In a minute and a half, we are going to take a look at my Zulay cheese grater and, well, everything grater here. I'm going to show you how to put it together, and then I'm going to test it out to see how it grates my cheese. Initially, I got this so I can make potato chips at home, but I actually haven't done potato chips yet, but I did need to make some cheese rolls, so I'm going to grate some cheese in there. So let's put it together. First, that little plastic part over there is going to pop right in, and then you put the grater in there and then attach the handle to the back so it locks in. Now you need to lock this onto the counter. If you don't, this is how you'll grate the cheese. The cheese will come in and it'll be popping all over the place. It'll be very difficult to grate it. So that little handle on the bottom, you're going to flip it to the side and then pop in the top over there to push in the cheese, and it's going to be so easy to grate it right in there. I did a whole bunch in no time here. It sped up a minute and a half, and I was able to add all the cheese in there and make my cheese rolls for a delicious meal. This has so many good things that you can do with it. You can have different thickness of the cheese, and you can slice some stuff in there as needed, and it's just gonna work so well. To take it apart, there's a little button in the back. You just push and then pull everything apart so you can wash it out and clean it out. Cheese grater is awesome and essential in my home, and I think it is in yours too.